Looking for an affordable way to enjoy the comfort and stability of 3 wheels? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the 10 most affordable electric trikes of 2026 starting under $700. From folding city cruisers to cargo-friendly commuters, these budget-friendly e-trikes prove you don't need to spend a fortune to ride electric. We've picked models that focus on value, comfort, battery range, and everyday practicality. Whether you need extra balance, easy transportation, or just a fun new ride, there's something here for you. Let's get started. Qlife Triker 2.0. The Qlife Triker 2.0 is a smart, budget-friendly electric trike designed for riders who want comfort, balance, and everyday practicality without overspending. Its 3-wheel setup offers extra stability, making it a great option for seniors, casual riders, or anyone nervous about 2-wheel bikes. The trike comes with a peak 750-watt brushless motor, reaches around 20 miles per hour, and uses a removable battery that can deliver up to 50 miles depending on riding conditions. A folding frame makes storage easier, while the rear basket adds useful cargo space for shopping or errands. With its step-through design and comfortable upright seating, it feels easy to ride. Pricing usually starts around $699 to $799, making it one of the most affordable electric trikes available. Narrak Folding Electric Trike. The Narrak Folding Electric Trike is a smart choice for riders who want comfort, balance, and everyday convenience at an affordable price point around $700 for entry-level deals and promotions. Its 3-wheel design gives extra stability, making it ideal for seniors, casual riders, or anyone who prefers a safer and more confident ride. It features a 500-watt to 750-watt motor depending on version, paired with a 48-volt 13-ampere-hour removable battery that can deliver up to 40 to 50 miles of range with pedal assist. The foldable frame makes storage easier, while front and rear baskets add practical cargo space for shopping or errands. With fat tires, a step-through frame, and comfortable seating, the Narrak feels friendly, useful, and fun for daily rides. Mooncool MC350. The Mooncool MC350 is a budget-friendly electric trike built for riders who want comfort, balance, and simple everyday transportation. Its 3-wheel design adds confidence on the road, especially for seniors or beginners who prefer extra stability. Powered by a 350-watt front-drive motor with peak output around 700 watts, it reaches speeds up to 16 miles per hour. The removable 36-volt battery comes in 10.4 ampere-hours or 14.5 ampere-hours options, offering an estimated range of 25 to 40 miles, depending on terrain and riding style. A 7-speed Shimano drivetrain gives more flexibility for hills and longer rides, while the rear basket is useful for groceries or errands. The step-through frame also makes mounting easier. Pricing usually starts around $689 to $699, making it one of the most affordable electric trikes available today. Huffy Electric Green Machine Drift Trike. The Huffy Electric Green Machine Drift Trike is one of the most fun and affordable electric trikes you can buy if excitement matters more than practicality. Inspired by the classic Green Machine, this modern version adds a 250-watt hub motor and 36-volt battery that can push speeds up to 15 miles per hour. It is built for sliding, spinning, and drifting rather than commuting, making it perfect for open driveways or smooth parking lots. The adjustable seat offers 3 positions, while the front disc brake gives better control during fast turns. Durable rear drift wheels are designed for smooth sideways action and long-lasting fun. With a steel frame and bold styling, it feels tough and playful. Price starts around $599, making it a unique budget thrill machine. VICTRIP T1. The VICTRIP T1 is an affordable electric trike built for riders who want comfort, balance, and strong everyday performance without paying premium prices. Its stable 3-wheel design makes it ideal for seniors, beginners, or anyone who values confidence on the road. Power comes from a 750-watt motor with 1,000-watt peak output, delivering speeds up to 20 miles per hour with smooth acceleration. The removable 48-volt 20-ampere-hour battery offers impressive range, reaching up to 45 miles on throttle or more with pedal assist. Hydraulic disc brakes, front suspension, and a low step-through frame add comfort and control. It also folds for easier storage and includes cargo baskets for errands. Pricing usually starts around $1,200, offering strong value for its features. Viribus FC2. The Viribus FC2 is a practical and well-balanced folding electric trike designed for riders who want stability, utility, and modern features without going overboard on price. It comes equipped with a powerful 750-watt motor, peaking around 1,200 watts, giving it enough strength for city riding, hills, and loaded cargo runs. The 48-volt battery system delivers up to around 60 miles of pedal assist range depending on conditions, while the top speed reaches about 20 miles per hour. One of its strongest points is the folding frame, making it easier to store in tight spaces. Add in hydraulic disc brakes, rear differential for smoother turning, and a 400-pound payload capacity, and it feels surprisingly premium. Pricing typically starts around $1,800, placing it in the mid-budget category, but offering strong long-term value for everyday use. Viribus SC5. The Viribus SC5 is a rugged and surprisingly well-equipped electric trike designed for riders who want stability, cargo capacity, and everyday usability at a relatively affordable price point. It features a 500-watt front hub motor with a peak output of 750 watts, giving it enough strength for city commuting, light hills, and heavy grocery runs. The 48-volt 15-ampere-hour battery delivers up to 38 miles of throttle range and around 60+ miles with pedal assist, depending on conditions. A top speed of about 20 miles per hour keeps it practical yet efficient. One of its standout features is the rear differential, which improves turning stability, along with fat 20 by 3-inch tires for added grip. With a strong 395-pound payload capacity and a price starting around $1,300, it offers solid value in the budget cargo trike segment. Mooncool TK1. The Mooncool TK1 is a budget-friendly folding electric trike that blends stability, comfort, and solid everyday performance into one practical package. Built around a 500-watt rear hub motor with a peak output of 1,000 watts, it delivers smooth acceleration and a top speed of about 16 miles per hour, making it ideal for relaxed city cruising and neighborhood rides. Its 48-volt 14.5 ampere-hour removable battery provides an impressive range of roughly 35 to 70 miles depending on riding mode and terrain, which is a strong point in this price category. The trike also features a rear differential for better cornering stability, a sturdy folding frame for easier storage, and a 450-pound payload capacity for hauling groceries or gear. Priced around $1,300, the TK1 stands out as a reliable and value-packed entry-level electric trike. Sixthreezero Easy Transit. The Sixthreezero Easy Transit is a thoughtfully designed electric trike built for riders who want comfort, stability, and practical everyday mobility in one package. It features a powerful 750-watt rear hub motor that delivers smooth acceleration and confident hill climbing for city rides or relaxed cruising. The 48-volt battery system offers an estimated range of up to 50 miles, depending on assist level, making it reliable for errands and longer outings. One of its standout qualities is the ultra-stable fat tire setup, paired with a low step-through folding frame, which makes mounting and storage much easier. With a top speed around 16 miles per hour and a payload capacity near 350 pounds, it balances safety and utility well. Priced around $1,500, it sits in the affordable mid-range e-trike category with strong real-world usability. Addmotor Citytan. The Addmotor Citytan is a compact and well-built folding electric trike designed for riders who want comfort, stability, and modern performance in one package. Powered by a 500-watt rear hub motor with a peak output of 1,100 watts. It delivers smooth acceleration and a top speed of around 20 miles per hour, making it suitable for both city commuting and relaxed neighborhood rides. The 48-volt 13.5 ampere-hour battery offers up to 50 miles of range per charge, depending on riding style and terrain. One of its strongest points is the folding frame design, which makes storage and transport much easier compared to traditional trikes. With a payload capacity of over 230 plus 80 pounds, fat 20-inch tires, and solid braking control, it feels stable and confident. Priced around $1,400, it sits in the affordable premium e-trike category.